How to help your child with ADHD with their homework. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about how to help your child with ADHD with their homework. As we all know, children with ADHD face challenges in schoolwork and learning. They tend to be easily distracted, overwhelmed, and unwilling to sit down and do their homework. But don't worry, there are ways to support them. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks that you can use to help your child with ADHD to do their homework. Understanding ADHD. The first step in helping your child with ADHD with their homework is to understand the condition itself. ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, is a developmental condition that affects how the brain functions. Children with ADHD may find it challenging to sit still, follow instructions, start a task independently, and stay on it. This is not their fault, and they are not lazy or naughty. Rather, their brains develop differently from others, and the neurons communicate differently. Knowing all about ADHD will help you understand your child's challenges and how to help them. Challenges with homework. Children with ADHD often struggle with their homework due to their difficulty with executive functions. These functions include inhibition control, task switching, and working memory. These challenges can cause them to fall behind in their academic achievements, and they may struggle with low self-esteem and lack motivation. To help your child with their homework, it's important to know that breaking things down into smaller tasks can help them focus better. Tips to help your child with ADHD. Here are some tips that can help you support your child with their learning, schoolwork, and homework. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Learn about ADHD. The more you know about the condition, the better you can help your child. Break things down. Children with ADHD won't be able to focus for long periods, so break things down into smaller tasks. Provide a quiet workspace. A quiet, distraction-free workspace can help your child concentrate better. Create a routine. Creating a routine can help your child develop good study habits. Provide incentives. Providing small rewards for completing homework can help your child stay motivated. So there you have it, some tips and tricks to help your child with ADHD with their homework. Remember, it's essential to understand your child's challenges and how their brain functions differently. Breaking things down into smaller tasks, providing a quiet workspace, creating a routine, and providing incentives can help your child focus better and stay motivated. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to find out more, visit our website, allspecialneedsnow.com. In our blog section, you can find answers and advice on many topics, including autism, ADHD, learning difficulties or sensory processing. Or check out our social media. All the links will be down below in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website, allspecialneedsnow.com.